Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Back with this viral maths question, which is very tricky for many, but many solves this like easy kick. Okay, for those who have already solved this, go in the description and comment. I will give them heart. And our question is 20 divided by 4 into 2 minus 5. So we will solve with the help of lambdas. Okay, lambdas. And according to that, what we have, multiplication and division have the same priority. And in that case, we have to solve from left to right. So what we can see, 20 divided by 4 into 2, which have the same priority, division multiplication. We will solve this part first. So 20 divided by 4, which equals to 5 into 2 minus 5, and 5 into 2, which equals to 10 minus 5. Okay, and now 10 minus 5, which equals to 5. So here answer will be 5. And if you want to check out best product for seniors, go in the description. Thanks for watching.